Welcome, I'm Lisa Marie. I will be guiding you through this 10-minute meditation today. Firstly, find a comfortable position, lying or seated, and turn off any possible distractions. Close your eyes and begin to breathe slowly. Lower your shoulders down away from your ears. Relax your muscles in your face and your body. Place one hand softly onto your abdomen and the other hand onto your chest, and spread the fingers of your hand wide. I invite you to begin to breathe in and out through your nostrils. Feel the air as it enters into your body. Starting to feel your body becoming heavy and sinking deep into your chair. As you inhale deeply and your belly and chest expand, notice how your abdomen and chest push your hands up. Maybe you can breathe even slower now. Perhaps you can exhale more before you breathe in. Keep your eyes gently closed. Go within. Take a moment to lengthen and stretch each breath. If you are getting distracted, just see your thoughts like the clouds in the sky and let them float past. I invite you to start to count your breath, feeling your abdomen rise and your chest expand. Count slowly in your mind's eye as you breathe in and as you breathe out. If you notice thoughts come in, simply place your focus back to counting your inhalation and exhalation. No judgment. Just breathe and feel that sense of relaxation sweeping through your mind and body. As you breathe in, feel healing energy entering through your nostrils and circulating throughout your body. Notice the calmness within you and how peaceful you are right now. And as you count your breath in and out, you begin to relax more with every single breath. Each breath is deep and slow. Feel your abdomen and chest rise and fall. Let go of tension, stress and worries that are of no service to you. Make the decision today to let go of anything that is holding you back, that is no longer aligned with your higher purpose and your higher self. Know that you are worth so much more. You deserve love. You deserve happiness. You deserve contentment. As you breathe, embody these vibrations in every cell of your body. Know your self-worth. Breathe slow. Open up the belly. Open up the chest. Release and let go of anything that is no longer serving you. Surrender. Relax. Feeling peaceful and calm. Every muscle is relaxed. And just take a few moments just to appreciate this beautiful peace and tranquility. I invite you to start to move your fingers and your hands. To be aware of your surroundings and maybe move your head and wiggle your toes. Take a huge big breath in. And please remember, you can come back here whenever you need to. You are beautiful. Thank you.